The goal here is to make sure that when kids go across the stage and graduate their senior year, is that they have a high school diploma in one hand and they have an industry certification in another. And so we don't want children just to work at McDonald's, Wendy's, or Burger King. We want them to have a skill such as welding, electricity, nursing, business and marketing. And so that's what it's designed. It's for a design workforce. All students must go through the CTE Academy. We want to make sure that every child is career and college ready. So there's not a choice of whether they go to the CTE Center. It's just what industry certification would they like on their way out the door. We offer these type of programs so that kids can have a pathway as soon as they get out of high school to go to college, or they can go straight into the workforce and they already have industry certification and skills. And so we want to focus on the needs of what the community has asked for, which is a highly skilled workforce. And they're also hoping that through the CTE Center that a lot of the kids will reinvest back into the community instead of going away and never coming back. We are excited to have the CTE Center, and once again, it's designed that every child, when they leave Franklin City Public Schools, has a plan for post-secondary education, and they have the skills that's necessary either through industry certification, they can get a free college tuition for an associate's degree, or they can go on to a 4-year pathway, but no child will be left behind.
What research is finding in many areas as it relates to sustainable livelihood, many students are finding that instead of going into debt, and if college isn't really their interest, to have a skill that they are passionate about and something that will make them work. And with that, they have a chance to immediately graduate from high school and be certified in whatever their area of their passion is and be gainfully employed immediately. Students come from every walk of life, and you don't know what will interest them that will keep them in a career or make them become an entrepreneur for the next 10, 20, or 30 years. We don't know that. And if we have a connection that would help them build that, then we've done our job.
In criminal justice, we're touring the police station like in a couple weeks. We're doing like live crime scenes.
We already built doll houses, and then we on to a shed, so it's like basically learn how to build stuff for myself. So like I'm trying to do like an outline plan of my future house.
Intro Health Demand changed me really a lot because it's a lot of stuff that people go through that we really don't even know, that it's a lot of things that really happen with our body that we really don't even know about.
We were cooking the pico de gallo and we cooked tacos today. It made me learn about how people in restaurants work around in the kitchen.
They learn anything from safety and sanitation. Today we did a lab working on knife cuts and different presentation techniques. We do a lot of events to get them trained to be career ready. Whatever has to do with food service, they have an industry certification, training, and a diploma to go with it. And so now the kids have an idea of what they can possibly do when they leave us, and have industry credit and training behind it so they can go to a job interview well prepared, and then obviously show the company what they know, and they've already got the training at the high school level. It's a game changer is what it is for the public.
WHRO, owned by 21 school divisions, supported by people like you.